Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Anna here. So on today's video, I'm gonna try revert my hair back to curly. As you guys know, if you have been watching me, I blowed out my hair and then I straightened my hair. So now I'm gonna revert my hair back to its natural state. It's been like this for like 8 days. This is the 8th day, so we can say a week. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm doing. I just have water and I have like a deep conditioner, which I'll show you guys now. So if you're new, welcome. If you have been watching me, thank you. So yeah guys, let's just get into this. It's pure water, and I have this hair mayonnaise, which I'll be applying after I've dampened my hair with water. So that's the process that you guys are going to see. And then I'm gonna leave this on for about 30 minutes and then hit the shower. But before that, you guys will see the process before I get there. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe guys, and enjoy the video. Bye. Yeah guys, this is the end result. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. As you guys can see, my hair has reverted back to its natural state. So from here on, I will get into the shower and give my hair a wash, and then once that's done, I am gonna style my hair with a leave-in conditioner. So yeah guys, like that's it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me guys know what you guys think of my hair. Yeah, comment below and let me guys know, let me know what you guys think of my hair. And guys, that's it. Really, that's it guys, bye.